Life is a series of decisions, make or break. Try to give more than you take. We're all headed to the same destination. It's up to you how to get there.
How do you know which is the right path to follow?
Do you know how breakthroughs are made? You have to follow your own light, no matter what. Never stop believing, because if you don't believe, no one else will. Change doesn't come easily. It's always darkest before dawn.
Keep going.
Don't let your courage cower. You have to have conviction. Differences don't happen by themselves. They need you to make them happen. Less talk, more action. Don't be afraid to be afraid. Someone needs to pick up the spade and switch on the light at the end of the tunnels. Possibilities are there, waiting to be found. It's up to you to find them. Because if you never try, you'll never know. Because if you never try, you'll never know.
That's a speech. You're confident, huh?
This is my path, Dad.